Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to create videos for your YouTube, TikTok, Facebook or Instagram, if you are doing YouTube automations, TikTok automations and you are doing automations on other social media platforms. So today in this video I will show you how you can create AI videos for your platform at best quality videos. So if you are a content creator, this video is best for you. You must have to watch this video till end. So I will introduce you about this flow platform, how we can use it to create unlimited AI videos. So you can see the interface here. I have opened the Google Flow. You can see there and I will show you some videos. I will generate some videos using prompts. So you can generate unlimited AI videos for your social media. You can provide the services to your clients like that, and you can earn a lot of money. So in this video, I will create some short clips to show you. Okay, I have created there. You can see these are the prompts I have generated using ChatGPT for my video. Simply, I will do some setting here. Uh, the setting is that if you want to, you can see here. If I want to generate the image, you will select their image option. Okay, and here you can see the Nano Banana. You can use unlimited Nano Banana using this platform, and you can see there the video option, and you can see here the size. Which size you prefer? Like you are doing for reel like FB reel, YouTube reel, and Instagram reel. So you need to select this option, okay? But I want to create it for like a YouTube standard size video, Facebook standard size video. So I will select this option, okay? So you can see here, we need to select this option, okay? View 3.1 light. This option we need to select, and here is the video duration. You can select the duration. So I wish to select 8 seconds duration, okay? And I want to create it two videos, against my prompt. So simply I will paste my prompt here and I will submit it. You can see it's in process. So if you want to get the Google Flow accounts at reasonable price at low cost, you can contact me on my given Telegram or WhatsApp. I will provide my WhatsApp and Telegram. The pin comment of this video, you can contact me directly to get the access in reasonable price. You can create unlimited AI videos for your social media platforms. It's in process. You can see there. Yeah, you can see there. I have generated this video, and you can check the results here like that. Basically, this is a mango seed. The video in this video, the plant will grow, the mango plant. Now I will create the video against second prompt. You can check the result, the quality of the video. That is amazing, I think. So this is best if you want to do something in AI content creation field. So you must have to try this, okay? Sometimes you see this issue, okay, failed. So just simply try again. This is not the big any big problem. You can try again, okay? So after trying again, you will get the result. The one clip is in process, so we will wait to complete the generation. Yeah, you can see here, like the plant is growing, the mango plant. Now I'll enter the third prompt there, okay? Basically, these are extension account we have created for our clients. You can generate unlimited videos by using that. So if you want to try it, you can contact me on my Telegram and WhatsApp, and you can get the access of your View 3 Google AI Flow. So you can create the best quality of content. Okay. Let's check this. Just check the result. The results are really amazing. Okay, guys. So if you need any other AI tool like CapCut, ChatGPT, and any other tool, if you need Gemini Pro 18 months, and you can contact me directly to my Telegram or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.